Welcome to the Steamax EnviroCare today. We're excited to share a success story from one of our recent installations at a pharmaceutical company in Goa. Let's dive into how our auto fuel feeding kit transformed their boiler system. Pharmaceutical manufacturing requires a consistent and reliable energy source to keep operations running smoothly. This company previously used inefficient manual feeding for their boiler, relying on briquettes as fuel. However, this setup brought several challenges. They faced issues like excessive fuel consumption, black smoke, unburnt fuel, and high amounts of ash. These problems not only reduced efficiency but also increased operational costs and had environmental repercussions. That's where Steamax EnviroCare stepped in. We integrated our auto fuel feeding kit into their boiler system. This innovative solution automates the fuel feeding process, eliminating the need for manual intervention. Our kit uses Astillas, a cost-effective and efficient alternative to briquettes that provides cleaner combustion and better performance. This switch has significantly enhanced their operational efficiency and sustainability. With the new system, the company experienced a range of benefits that significantly improved their operations. First, improved efficiency. Astillas consumption decreased by 40% compared to briquettes, significantly lowering fuel costs. The auto fuel feed kit ensured a steady fuel supply, leading to consistent and quick steam pressure. Next, the environmental impact was substantial. Waste output, including ash and clinker, decreased by 90% with Astillas compared to briquettes. Astillas also eliminated clinker formation and black smoke, resulting in a cleaner combustion process. In terms of fuel flexibility, the system retained the option to use briquettes on manual feeding, providing flexibility in fuel choices. Finally, the low maintenance requirements were a major advantage. The robust design of the auto fuel feed kit required minimal maintenance and reduced downtime. These improvements have not only optimized their boiler system, but also contributed to significant cost savings and increased efficiency. At Steamax EnviroCare, we are committed to providing innovative and sustainable energy solutions. If you want to optimize your boiler system and reduce operational costs, contact us today. Thank you for watching.